jump into an incredible tutorial. I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So let me just join it just so you guys can see it actually works. But yeah, this is super cool. So I've been looking for a Delta Executor video and now I found one. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it for your device. So as you can see, guys, this fully works. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is super cool, guys. So as you can see, we got all these options here. So if you guys want to download it, keep watching the video. I'm going to show you exactly to get it. So as you can see, we got all these settings. It's super cool. So if you guys want to get it for your device, keep watching the video. And I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So this is super cool. So let's get straight into the tutorial. I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it onto your device. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser and just go to blockszy.com. So once you're on this website, guys, just press the button that says get started or get Delta, whatever, and then it should be on your device. So as you can see, it has 2.4 million downloads, which is pretty cool. But I'm just going to press the button that says get Delta and we'll see if it works. So as you can see, it's asking for the username. So let me just go ahead and put that in right here, as you can see. So before it loads, it's just going to say like connect. So we'll just do that. And now it's just asking, do you want to import it? So let me just go ahead and do that right here, so you can see. So it's saying what script do I want to install. So I'm going to press continue, and now it's going to load. So let's just give it a second for this to load up here, as you can see. So I'm just going to let it do its thing. So as you can see, it's loading. So let's just see if this works. All right, so it should work. So we'll see if it goes through. So as you can see at the end, it does say I'm not a robot. So I'm going to go ahead and press that and let's see if this works. All right, so it should go through, guys. So as you can see, it worked. So there you go. That's how I get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So this is super amazing. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool, guys. So if this video works to you, definitely go ahead and tell your friends. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So this is super amazing. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, but that's how to get it for your device. So this is super crazy. So yeah, as you can see, we got all the options. So yeah, get the word out, guys, if you want to get Delta Executor for your device. So this is super cool. So as you can see, we have all these settings here. So yeah, try it out, guys. Get the word out. This is super cool. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another one, but yeah, tell your friends about it. This is super cool. So, yeah, have fun. There's no computer needed or anything like that, so you guys are going to be all good to go. Peace out.